10:54 a.m. It's August 14. It's a Thursday today. Basically, wala na akong pasok. It's currently my semester break. You guys watched my recent vlog. You guys know that I'm gonna be moving out, and this will be, I don't know if it's gonna be like a series, like a moving out series, or I'll just include it to my college diaries vlog, because basically I'm moving out because nahihirapan ako mag-commute every day from Bulacan to my school. So, the agenda for today is me and my friend Ada, we're gonna go to MOA because I'm gonna look for condo stuff. I actually don't have a list with me. We're also gonna have a girls' date. So basically, halo-halo tong vlog na to. So hindi like my usual week in my life, day in my life. So, kukumit lang kami. So wish us luck na makauwi kami ng maaga. I mean, makauwi kami. Kahit hindi na maaga, basta makauwi kami. But yeah, let's go!
It's RSM.
This is cute. Can I open the ref? I like yung wow.
Duling me to buy slag. Kailangan niya to. Babalik yung pera. Wala akong narinig. Uy!
Kinda crazy.
It's for me. It's for me. Mag-iinit talaga ako ng tubig araw-araw. Every hour, every minute, mag-iinit ako ng tubig. Sige po.
This is so cute. I'm sorry for the mess kasi these are all mga condo stuff ko. Luggage with me because me and my friends are booking an Airbnb, and yes, I'm an overpacker. Kaya naka-luggage ako even though one night lang naman kami. I think kung bakit kami nag-book ng Airbnb because we're gonna go party tonight and wala kaming place to stay at. So I like suggested na mag-Airbnb na lang tayo guys for the night. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Namin is around 3 p.m. Sakto lang siguro since I'm from Bulacan pa. We're from Bulacan pa. So, nila ako. And dadaanan ko sila sa mall. But yeah, let's go! Okay! It's our Airbnb.
Yeah.
Come in. Come in. I'm here. I'm here. Please follow me. Here's our kitchen. We have a beautiful ref. Yeah. Show the ref.
Okay.
Oh, you can actually adjust the knob there. But yes. We have our stove. Let's go in here.
Meron tayong
washing machine. Our dining.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what's going on here, but
Just the table.
this is our sofa.
Oh, look at her. Yes.
We have our TV. You can watch Netflix. Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah. How can you see?
Wow! Show the...
We have CR. Here's our bed.
Kung yung carpet naman, nagulo-gulo.
We're gonna stay.
Ay, wow.
Spot. I like the bathroom because it's so dark.
Oo nga.
So that's our Airbnb tour. Whoa, gotta close.
Close.
p.m. It is a Wednesday today. It's August 27. Pero ngayon, aalis ako because I'm gonna go dun sa condo since I have my first delivery ng furniture. Actually, yun lang naman yung furniture na pinadeliver ko and pina-customize ko. But it's basically my bed frame. And nandito ba ako sa Bulacan kasi paalis pa lang ako and I'm gonna go there. Waiting lang for my booking and then I'm gonna leave na. Pero sabi ng landlord ko, nandun na daw yung bed frame ko. So siya muna yung nag-aasikaso there. Thanks to my landlord, sobrang bait niya talaga. After ma-assemble ng bed frame, I'm gonna measure the space na natira para sa table ko and other of my furnitures na plano ko ilagay. So that's basically my agenda for today. Waiting lang for my Grab and then I'm gonna go na. So, yay! Officially alone now because my mom left na. Right though, but later i-open ko yung mga lamps ko. Officially alone na, umalis na si mama. And sobrang gulo pa dito. We just fixed my bed and then yung ibang mga gamit, mga kitchen stuff, nilagay na ni mama here sa kitchen pero I'm gonna fix it pa. I still need to fix my clothes and put them dun sa cabinet sa may bed ko kasi yung mismong bed frame ko is yung cabinet ko. I'm living alone. You guys somewhere muna and then watch me fix my stuff. Looks like, and I have to put pa yung mga drawers there. But I think may mali akong ginawa dun sa mga legs that I have to fix. 9:52 p.m. I think the last clip that kanina is 7 p.m. pa yun when I finished the table. But right now, we have a special guest.
Pakisabi.
Wala, hindi ko pakita. Wait lang. Isa pa. Go.
Pakisabi.
Sleepover. She's gonna help me build some stuff. Dapat, usapan is 5 p.m. She went here like 7 p.m.
I fell asleep.
She fell asleep after her class. Anyway, we're gonna have our first meal on top of my luggage kasi yung dining table ko, hindi ko pa siya nadala. Kasi hindi na siya kasya sa car. Yeah, bilog here. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's currently, wait, I'm gonna clip my mic. Hear me well? It's currently 3:25 p.m. in the afternoon. It's actually Friday today pero na-cancel yung class ko due to the weather kasi may bagyo. Nakaayos ako ngayon kasi I filmed something and also mag-grocery ako. I'm gonna go to Landers because yung ibang mga food na gusto ko or like yung mga binibili kong snacks, ganun, wala siya dito sa malapit na grocery. And also, wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-Landers. I don't know, guys. I enjoy doing groceries. And may mga plano rin kasi akong lutuin. My outfit, my top is from Fashion Nova. I really love this top. And my jeans are also from Fashion Nova. They are just like baggy, loose jeans. By the way, you guys, I received a lot of clothes kasi from Fashion Nova. So, should I do a haul? Ang dami rin sa inyo nagtatanong sa mga fit checks ko on TikTok. By the way, I'm really active on TikTok, so go follow me on that. Pero ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong kung saan ko binibili yung mga damit ko recently. So, yeah, let's do a haul. Let's do a very quick haul, you guys. Checked out yung mga favorites ko na na-receive ko from them. Pero most of it are jeans kasi sabi ko, like, parang kulang yung jeans ko or like yung jean rotation ko. And parang nagbago na rin kasi yung taste ko sa jeans. Kasi before, I really like yung mga skinny jeans, yung mga very fitted, straight cut jeans. Nagugustuhan ko yung mga low-waisted, baggy jeans. And wala ako masyado nun sa closet ko. So, I decided to get a lot of baggy jeans, including the one I'm wearing right now. Like, the fit of it and the color of it. Kasi hindi siya too light, hindi rin siya too dark. And saktong everyday jeans lang siya for me. I also got this one. And ito, super nauuso kasi yung barrel jeans and I've been seeing it on my TikTok. And sabi ko, why not try that style? And ayan, alright. Charot, hindi ka ganun. My favorite jeans and ang dami rin nag-compliment sa akin nung winner ko tong jeans na to and pinost ko siya on TikTok. Ang dami sa inyong nag-a-ask kung saan ko siya nabili and it's from Fashion Nova, you guys. Most of my clothes that I've been wearing recently are from Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova, I always get the smallest size, which is size 2 or 4. Basta yung smallest size sa pants. Also got this one and ito, kala ko nung unang low-waisted siya pero sakto lang siya. Medyo high-waisted siya na straight cut jeans pero at the same time, hindi pa rin siya super fitted and medyo may pagkabaggy pa rin siya. And alam nyo guys, ang ganda ng quality ng denim ng Fashion Nova because napa-laundry ko na sila ilang beses pero hindi nagtatastas yung tela. Basta hindi siya hihimulmol or something like that. Yung for the jeans, pero I also got a lot of dresses from them kasi naalala ko na minsan sa mga events, kailangan ko ng mga dresses or minsan kapag umaalis ko ng friends ko, di ba? Why not mag-dress naman ako minsan? This one, very trendy right now, polka dots. Top lang siya, pero ang ganda ng fit nito sa akin. Pero I don't know pa kung saan ko siya susuotin. Siguro kapag night out with friends. Ang ganda nito kasi may ruched bottom part din siya. So, it gives a very nice silhouette or texture sa dress. Then I also got this one. This is very different from my usual style kasi I usually go for floral dresses, mga pastel dresses, mga lacy dresses. Pero this one is just a very basic dress. Yung cut niya is like parang shirt to tie it. Pero I really like the fit of this on my body kasi parang it's very sakto on me. Pero ayun, sa mga dresses, sa mga tops ko from Fashion Nova, I always get a size XS or basta smallest size lang rin sa mga tops. Picking out mga neutrals talaga sa colors recently because I need something or mga clothes dito sa condo that I can like really rotate and use over and over again because yung most of my clothes are still nasa Bulacan and I'm not planning to get all of those kasi sobrang dami nun. So, I'm planning to build my own wardrobe dito sa condo. Clothing piece is this dress. Sobrang ganda ng quality ng dress na to. Sobrang kapal niya. And corset type yung upper part kasi may parang wires siya, just like in corset tops. But, tanong pa-additional tela nila dito, it gives like parang nagbo-bloom or like may pop yung bottom part, yung skirt part. Looking for formal dresses, you can also check Fashion Nova kasi marami rin silang mga formal dresses. Also got a pair of shoes from them kasi I want to try if maganda rin yung quality ng shoes nila just like their clothes. Kasi dati pa ako bumibili sa Fashion Nova, guys. So, tried and tested ko na sila. Pero sa shoes, first time ko mag-order. Pero, surprisingly, halata namang gamit na gamit ko na siya. Ang dumi niya. These are one of the comfiest kitten heels na meron ako. Like, I could wear this going to the mall or going to the club. Test ko na super comfy niya kasi ito yung laging heels na sinusuot ko when I go party with my friends. So, syempre kapag sumasayaw and like we're walking long distance, comfy pa rin siya. And wala tong sira, you guys. As in, ang okay na quality nito. And it reminds me of a Dior sandals na nakita ko sa Pinterest one time. I don't know if that's Dior or a different brand, pero strong. Very strong quality itong sandals na to. My dear, ano naman yun? Nagulat naman ako sa'yo. Guys, yun lang naman for my very quick haul. Sabi sa inyo, very quick lang siya. And anong oras na ba? It's currently 3:37 p.m. Siguro mga 4 p.m. ako aalis to go grocery shopping. And ito na lang rin ang outfit ko kasi comfy naman siya. Pero I might put on a cardigan over kasi nga medyo malamig yung weather. But yeah, samahan nyo ako mag-grocery and magluto ng dinner for tonight. And yeah, let's go!
Settling in, settling down. Falling in love, not falling.
Thinking if I should get an air fryer. But I don't think I have space anymore on my kitchen.
I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in a crown. A crown, a crown, a crown. A king and a queen royally bound. Yeah. Both called it from the beginning. Called it. Knew that the right to be nice. Knew that the right to be nice. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. Fussing and
Oh my god. Organizing my ref. It's so full. My freezer, very punong-puno siya. And I'm so happy because ang dami kong maluluto for the next few days. I'm gonna be cooking dinner. Sana narinig niyo ako ng maayos, even walang mic. Pero my dinner, and I'm gonna make some burritos. Kasi wala lang. I'm gonna make burritos. And it's my first time to make a burrito. And I'm gonna make beef burrito, like with ground beef. So I'm gonna season the ground beef muna. Then tsaka ko siya assemble and all. So yeah. And I feel like mabilis ko lang naman siya lutuin. Kasi pinakamatagal lang is yung beef. But I feel like mabilis din siya maluluto. I'm gonna make a garlic mayo sauce for my dip. I need to patugtog. Hold on.